Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. And for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. Works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons together and you're having a screenshot. After, you can edit here the screenshot or you can share it directly with the WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time. The power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you are able to draw something inside or to highlight something, or you can also crop it here. If you tap here on the corners, you can crop here just a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a website, by the way, or capture someone's status at WhatsApp without seeing the name of him and so on. And yeah, with that symbol you can share this edit part directly, or with arrow you can save the edited part here to your gallery. And as I said, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that we will need the edge of our palm. So just swipe it across the screen like this and you have a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. At the beginning it requires a bit training, but I'm sure you can make it. You're going to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery, and I would recommend to you to go always to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder just for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.